In this video, we will be discussing the Garmin fēnix 8 to 51mm, a premium multisport GPS smartwatch designed for athletes and adventurers. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this smartwatch in the description below for the best price. Right off the bat, this watch stands out with its bright 1.4-inch AMOLED display, offering crisp visuals that remain easily readable even under direct sunlight. The scratch-resistant sapphire lens paired with a titanium bezel makes it both durable and stylish, able to withstand the toughest outdoor activities while still looking premium on your wrist. One of the biggest advantages of the fēnix 8 is its incredible battery life. In smartwatch mode, it can last up to 29 days, while GPS mode allows up to 84 hours of continuous tracking. This makes it perfect for long adventures, multi-day hikes, or extended training sessions without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the built-in LED flashlight ensures visibility even after dark, adding a practical touch for nighttime activities. Fitness and performance tracking is another area where this watch excels. It offers sport-specific workouts, targeted strength training plans, and real-time stamina tracking. Your training readiness score combines data from sleep quality, recovery, training load, and heart rate variability to provide an accurate estimate of whether your body is primed for intense exercise. The multi-band GPS with SatIQ technology and built-in sensors, including a 3-axis compass, gyroscope, and barometric altimeter, guarantee precise outdoor navigation. Connectivity features make life easier too. The watch pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabling you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist. Voice commands allow hands-free interaction, and some functions can even be accessed without a phone. With 32 GB of storage, you can store workouts, maps, and other essential data directly on the device, keeping everything you need on hand. Of course, no device is without its minor drawbacks. The premium titanium design and advanced features make it more expensive than some other smartwatches. Additionally, while the features are robust, beginners may find the multitude of tracking options slightly overwhelming at first. Still, for those serious about multisport performance and outdoor adventure, the Garmin fēnix 8 is an outstanding companion, combining durability, accuracy, and comprehensive health and performance tracking in one sleek package.